Hello, students. Welcome back to another exciting English language lesson in our WAEC, JAMB, and NECO Prep series. Today, we're diving into elements of sentence structure. These are the very building blocks that make every sentence work, and understanding them will help you write clearly and score high in your exams. Let's begin. So what exactly are the elements of sentence structure? Think of them as the key ingredients in your writing: the subject, verb, object, complement, and more. Every exam, WAEC, JAM, or NECO, will test your understanding of these parts, whether in grammar questions, comprehension, or essay writing. So let's start with the core elements. The subject is who or what the sentence is about, the doer of the action. For example, in the sentence, Tunde reads a book. Tunde is the subject because he is the doer of the action, reading. Then we have the verb. The verb is the action or state of being. In the sentence, Tunde reads a book. Reads shows what Tunde does, which is reading. Then we have the object. The object receives the action. So in the sentence, Tunde gave Amaka a book. Amaka is the indirect object and a book is the direct object. Then we have complement. A complement completes the meaning of the verb. So in Ngozi is a teacher describes Ngozi. This is a subject complement. The other, they named their dog Lucky. Lucky is the object complement because it describes the dog. Then we have adverbial. An adverbial adds information about how, when, or where an action happens. In Chinedu runs quickly, quickly tells us how Chinedu runs. Then we have adjectival, also called modifier. In The beautiful market attracts tourists. Beautiful tells us more about the market. Now that you've learnt the elements of sentence structure, let's test your understanding with some practice questions. Are you ready? Let's go. WAEC practice question 1. The teacher marked the scripts yesterday. Who performed the action? The teacher. So the subject is the teacher. Number 2. She writes quickly. Quickly flashes orange. It tells how she writes. That's an adverbial. Number 3. The festival was colorful. Colorful is highlighted green. It completes the meaning of was. That's a complement. And just like that, in JAM they can ask you in the sentence, Emeka kicked the ball. The ball receives the action, so it's the object. In the next sentence, the students are studying hard. In highlighting are studying, this is a verb phrase, not just one word. NECO practice now. Example 1. We danced at the village square. In highlighting at the village square, that's an adverbial phrase, showing where. Number 2. The new car looks expensive. That's the subject. Number 3. They painted the house blue. That's the object complement. The blue describes the house. Let's quickly wrap up. The subject does the action. The verb shows the action. The object receives it. The complement completes meaning. The adverbial adds how, when, or where. The adjectival describes nouns. In your exams, take time to identify each element carefully. Practice will help you recognize them instantly. And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, when you master sentence structure, you master English itself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more WAEC, JAMB, and NECO lessons. See you next time.